This conference will now be recorded.
Guys, don't confuse. We'll be cover each topic in curriculum. Okay. I remembered all the topics. What are the topics I covered? What are the topics didn't cover? Okay. So today topic is it's a common topic for all the groups. So problem management life cycle and state model. So already we have discussed about incident management life cycle and state model. Incident management life cycle and state model. First of all, you would like to know what is incident, guys?
Any unplanned interruption in the service.
Unexpected interruption.
So unexpected interruption, very unexpected interruption called incident. So any customer unfortunately facing the problem on their business application or accidental happen, so they have to raise incident ticket. Okay, so what about the problem, guys? What about the problem?
A group of people facing the same incident, like problem.
So when group of people facing the same kind of issue, group of people facing same kind of issue means, for example, so I'm the one customer, Srinivas is one customer, Shiva Krishna is one customer, Varma is one customer, Swarup is one customer, and Venkatram Reddy is one customer. Like so many customers are there. So these all customers are facing same kind of issue, like unable to connect Office network through VPN. Okay, so based on that historical incidents, they need to be raise the problem ticket. So when multiple people are facing same kind of problem on same business application or like a same kind of problem, so they have to create problem ticket. So problem ticket can addressing to a number of incidents. So every customer is one in like a one individual customer, right? So every customer is individual. Okay, so according to the their issue, they have to create the incident. So when multiple people are facing same kind of problem, they have to raise like a problem ticket. So now my question is, how can you find that? So we have to create the problem ticket. See, let me take one diagram. Instant. So for example, customer A, customer B, customer C, customer D, customer E. So different customers are there. So all are facing same kind of issue. Like everybody have to create one like incident tickets individually. So when they're facing the problem, unfortunately on their business application, they have to create incident ticket. So these all people are facing same kind of issue. That moment, so they have to consider and create a problem ticket. So problem ticket can consider like addressing so number of incidents. So when multiple people are facing same kind of problem, so immediately they have to create the a problem. They have to create the problem. So when you created a problem ticket or when they create a problem ticket, so the person who is working on the respective problem, they have to find out the root cause analysis. They have to start with the root cause analysis. What is the mean by root cause analysis? Root cause analysis is nothing but so they have to find the solution and fix it permanently. So they have to fix the issue in root level. That is called root cause analysis. In case, as a service provider, if you provide a solution to the every customer manually, what happened? Same kind of issue may be repeat in future, or same kind of issue repeat for other users. In this case, what happened? May impact on the business, right? So when multiple customers are facing same kind of issue, so they can create a number of incident tickets. As a service provider, so we have to provide the solution to customer individually. So instead of that, so if you create a problem ticket, so they can fix in a root level. So once the issue has been fixed by the service provider, so automatically it is communicate work around the all the incidents, means yes, this particular problem has been fixed. So it has been fixed in that root level. Okay, no need to provide the services to each customer manually. That is the importance of problem. Okay, let's move to and a problem management. Also, you can follow the ITIL standards, guys. Every application is following ITIL standards. Let me navigate it to developer.servicenow.com. Start building. Log in with your credentials. And let's move to a problem. So problem is one more application, similar incident and change. Someone they're thinking about the problem is also like similar to incident. So incident is nothing but an application. When any customer is facing the problem, unfortunately, they can create incident ticket. So what about the problem? So when multiple people are creating the same kind of incident, like a same kind of issue they're facing, so they can create the problem ticket. So here there are multiple ways to create a problem ticket. One is directly we can create a problem ticket from problem application. Second one is we can create a problem ticket from existing incident ticket. Okay, so now let's start working with problem. So problem management also following ITIL standards and portfolio. Problem management, ITIL. Problem management, ITIL E4. It's not working. No problem. I can open problem management in ServiceNow also. ServiceNow documentation. Okay, so you can follow the product documentation. ServiceNow problem management helps to identify the cause of an error in the IT infrastructure reported as occurrence of related incidents. So problem management is responsible for managing the life cycle of all problems and it prevent problems and resulting incidents from happening. So we cannot creating any problem directly based on the historical incidents. So they can create the problem ticket. So it also aims to eliminating the recurring incidents like repeated incidents. So we have to eliminating repeated incidents and minimizing the impact of incidents and that cannot be prevented. So resolving a problem includes the activities required, diagnose the root cause analysis, and determine the resolution of the problem. So when you resolve the problem and eliminate of the root cause, often called applying a change to the configuration. Might be the problem is relevant to any change management process. They have to create a change request. It's interrelated between one application to another application. So problem management also maintain information about the problems and the appropriate workaround and resolution, so that the organization is able to reduce the number of impact incidents of over time. For example, so with like almost they have customers are created 1,000 incidents in within 1 hour. Customers are created 1,000 incidents in within 1 hour. So it may be definitely impact on the business, right? So maximum we have to reducing a number of incidents to creating in the single like a single 1 hour over time. It's impact on the business. Okay, clear. Now let's start working with problem management. So first of all, let me create some incident tickets. So every user is individual in your business unit. So when they're facing the problem, unfortunately, they will create incident ticket. So let me create incident ticket, create new one. So here color I'm selecting able footer issue is network issue. Submit. And let us assume one more customer also creating one more incident. Just a second, guys. Now I'm going to creating so different incident tickets. Let us assume every customer is individual, right? So when they're facing the problem, unfortunately, their business application, they can create incident tickets. So similarly, you can create more tickets. Okay, let us assume in this case, Abraham Lincoln is one more customer. Okay, is facing network critical issue. And similarly, you can create more. And create one more lost incident. And you can create a 5 to 6 incident tickets. 5 to 6 are enough. And last one is like a bad network issue. And you can create. Okay. So multiple customers are created, right? Almost the 5 customers are created, 5 different incident tickets. Based on the historical incidents, right? Every business unit, so they're managing one IT helpdesk department. Okay. What is the responsibility of them, guys? What is the responsibility of IT helpdesk department? Anybody idea? Guys, anybody idea? What is the
Assigning ticket
responsibility?
to someone.
Sorry?
Assigning ticket to someone who will be responsible. Like specific, if it's networking side of guys, you should assign the ticket to networking people.
Only that is the activity, any another activity they have to do it.
I'm not sure. Same activity.
Troubleshoot the issues and resolve it.
So, yes, they have to monitor entire business unit, right? Entire business unit. So in one business unit, almost 70,000 people are working. So everybody, they may be facing some problems in some situations, right? So they will be creating the incident tickets. So what is the responsibility of the help department? Continuously, they have to monitoring the tickets who are creating by the respective incident tickets. Okay. So a number of people, they're creating a lot of incidents very frequently. And the responsibility of help department, they're going to monitor the ticket. So as a part of the monitoring tickets, so they're going to apply some condition and created on today. So one IT helpdesk technician guy, he's going to apply the condition created on today and run it. Okay, today total how many tickets are created? Guys, total today how many tickets are created by different users,
5.
right?
5, sir.
Total 5 tickets are created by different users. In real case, maybe so they will create a number of tickets, but issue is the same. Did you find that?
Network issue.
Yes. Example, let's assume today 100 tickets are created, 100 incidents are created. Out of 100, 95 tickets or incidents are relevant to network only. In this case, problem manager, they have to create one problem ticket immediately. So why they have to problem ticket immediately? So if you want to provide the, suppose this ticket has assigned to some expert, right? So that expert have to provide the solution. If you want only one person is responsibility to provide a solution for network, like network issues. If you want to provide a solution to each person individually, it's a time consuming process. In this case, what you can do, you have to fix the issue in root level, and the respective service provider have to start the root cause analysis. Root cause analysis nothing but it's a kind of process. Okay, so what the person providing the solution to the customer, they have to fix the issue in root level. In case if you provide the solution in temporary, what happened? Same kind of issue may be repeated in the future. Same kind of issue repeated for other users. Same kind of issue repeated for same users also in future, right? I don't want get like that. Okay, so in this case, so for example, I have created only 5 incident tickets. In real case, what happened? Might be lot of customers are created the same like different incidents with the same issue, right? In this case, the problem manager or application manager or manager, project manager have to create problem ticket. How to create the problem ticket? That is my question. So there are multiple ways to create the problem ticket. Directly go to the problem application, you can create the problem. Then we can add all associated incidents to the problem. And second one is you can open one incident ticket. Okay, so following by the existing incident, you will be able to create a problem also. Create a problem. Okay. So problem manager, problem coordinator, and application manager or project manager, based on the people availability, they can create the problem ticket. Okay. So they will create the problem ticket like this. So problem ticket has been created. Okay. So we are following by this particular incident ticket. If we scroll down, go to related tickets, go to the resolution information and antics information nodes. Okay, you can be able to get the incident, right? So this problem, okay, is created through respective incident ticket. Okay, suppose total 5 tickets are created with the same issue. Those all incidents also I want added to my problem ticket. So one incident has already added because this problem has created through this incident ticket. That's why one incident has already added. Okay, now I'm going to adding remaining 5 tickets also, remaining 4 tickets also. Go to apply the condition. Create it today. Run it. 4 tickets, right? Total I have created 5 tickets today, right? 1 ticket has already added and it's showing remaining 4 tickets need to be added. So I want to add all 4 tickets. Then automatically, right? So one problem, suppose these all the tickets are associated to this problem, means so this problem ticket has created through these all 5 tickets, means so these all the tickets are like defining, so issue is the same, right? In this case, suppose issue is which category, guys? Network. Similarly, the problem is might be something, okay, and they can assign the ticket to which group? Network group, and save it. So when you assign the ticket to any group, automatically send the notification to the members who are the present in network group. So one of the responsible person, they can assign the ticket himself and start working on it. So might be there are some conditions in the background. No problem. Let me create it. There are applied some reference qualifiers, guys. No worries. Okay, you can provide these other details enough. Okay, let's assume. So this ticket is assigned to network department. Okay, so who is the person is responsibility working on the VPN problem? Srinivas, right? So now Srinivas is responsibility to fix the issue in root level. For example, Srinivas is responsibility to provide the solution to these all the members individually. It's a time taken process. For example, in this case, I have added only 5 tickets. In the real case organization, so in one hour we are facing like a network issue. What happened? You will getting a lot of tickets, right? So those all the lot of tickets we can add it to the problem. In this case, what happened? So we need to communicate in the workaround. Okay, so now Srinivas is responsibility to provide a solution to like the person who is creating a problem ticket. So this incident is created by whom? Reported this incident ticket, right? First reported by this incident ticket. So you can take it as a like it's a reference number, okay? And the Srinivas is responsibility provide a solution. And what is the application is going to working on it? For example, you can open it. SAP financial account application, okay? So customers are facing the problem in VPN, like network is not working like on SAP financial accounting, okay? So when customer try to open SAP financial account application, they're facing some network issue. Only the problem is like exclusive to only SAP financial, right? So when you want to see that dependency view, so open dependency view. Customers are facing the problem on which application? SAP financial application. So when you click on that SAP financial application, you can be able to see the drop down graphical window. So what is the main application over here? So these are down application, these are the top application. Okay, so if you have to fix the issue in which application? Srinivas have to fix the issue in which application, guys? SAP financial account application. So if you fix the issue directly in the SAP financial application, there is no use, right? So we have to fix the issue for all the layers, root level, right? Suppose. So the people are facing the problem on which server? There might be Windows server or web server or AX server. Okay. So one developer in network department, multiple developers are working, right? Multiple people are working. So one person can working on for like a SAP Windows Server. One developer is working for SAP Linux. One developer is working for SAP like AX, right? In this case, we have to get the multiple problem tasks. So every person have to working on different problem tasks. So every person they have to fix it, okay, in root level. For example, some X person already fixed in AX server, Y person is already fixed in like these servers, and Z person also fixing the server. Who is the main person have to close the problem? Srinivas, right? So in the Srinivas, in this case, he need to be checked out all the issues has been fixed or not. So once is fixed, and they can fix in that application level. Okay, that is called root cause analysis. So when you fix the issue in that this is like application directly, what happened? There is no use. So this is not main application, right? It's a dependency application, right? So this is depends on different servers. The problem is facing on which server. Suppose if you fix only Windows server, what happened? Might be tomorrow someone they're using the web server, right? They're facing the problem through web server. Somebody they're facing the problem through AX server. It's not recommended only fix the issue in that one level, right? So they have to fix the issue in that root level. That is the importance of the problem. So when you create any problem ticket, the respective service provider means who is working on the respective problem. They have to analysis and monitoring and fix the issue in that root level as per the problem analysis. Here guys, this is called top-down dependency view. Top-down dependency view. So customers are facing the problem. So what is the services? SAP financial accounting. Okay. Anyway, no problem. Next one is I'm going to create the problem task. For example, so multiple people are working on same network department, right? So we have to get the different problem task. Go to problem task. Who will create the problem task? Srinivas will create the problem task, or problem coordinator is one more person in the organization. He will be create the problem ticket. Actually, problem creation, adding incident ticket to the problem, and these other life cycle. Actually, we are not. That is not our responsibility. Okay. Problem management application is already there. Just I'm going to explaining how the people are using problem management application in the real case organization. Okay, problem creation, adding the all associated instance to problem, create the problem task, check the dependency view. That is not our responsibility. Okay. And when you attending any interview, sometimes they're asking, do you have any idea on problem management application? That moment we can say yes. So when you have experience on problem management lifecycle state model, then only we can be able to design the form, right? So our main responsibility is form designing. Application life cycle and state model may be changed, but the components are the same. So now I'm going to creating the problem task. Total, how many dependency views are there, guys? 3 dependency view. So I can creating 3 problem tasks, like 4 total, right? 1, 2, 3, 4. So we can creating some problem task for root cause analysis. For example, I am one network developer. I am expert into only Windows server fixing. Somebody that is expert into web services. Somebody that is expert into AX server. Similarly, might be other services also, right? So everybody have to root cause analysis individually, and the respective configuration item is the same. The item they can select it, and a short description. Please fix issue in root level, and it is assigning to the same group. Okay, group is the same, but personally different. All right. So which server is going to working on it? This one, right? Configuration item is financial accounting, and when they have to fix it. So this problem task is associated to which problem, this problem, okay. And next one is network, and then you can select the users. Okay, so you can select some X person, and then order number means first of all they have to complete this task and submit. And create one more problem. This problem is assigned to developer Y. Okay, what is the application? Application is the same. SAP financial accounting, right? First one. And please fix issue on X. And assign some Y person or Z person, you can submit it. Similarly, you can create in the multiple task as well. Okay. So when you open the problem ticket, problem coordinator or problem manager, they can see all the details about the respective problem. So this problem is reported by first of all, which incident, this incident, right? Problem category, problem subcategory, and which group is responsible working on the problem. And so total how many members are working for this problem ticket? So multiple members, right? 2 members are working for this problem, because like each task is assigned respective person. Everybody they have to complete the task individually. So each task wise also we can be able to see the state. Okay. So for example, next person is fixed the issue in that like a web services, so they can close the task. Suppose my task is completed. Access. Okay. So we have different states in problem task. First of all, access, and the next one is start work. So it is in work in progress. The person who is working on this respective task, problem task, okay, is analysis of the issue, like that is called working in progress. So once issue has been fixed in that particular server level, they can be able to complete it. So one person is completed, right? So before completing that like issue, they can be able to provide the cause code and cause notes, and providing the other details. Click on OK. And in case, so next one is problem is completed. Suppose so the issue has been not fixed, so they can be able to reaccess it. And when they once again they have to re-engineer, then they have to fix it. And similarly, they have to fix the issue for remaining tasks also, problem task also. Once all the problem tasks are completed, okay, then automatically so we can close the problem ticket. So once the problem ticket is closed, like access means nothing but so someone who is working on the problem. It's unique, right? Okay, this problem task is assigned to someone else, right? So confirm it. Okay, so it is a market is a duplicate means nothing but this problem already we have fixed in earlier, right? So we can need to make a market as a duplicate. So for example, so while like fixing this problem might be in future, you'll be able to get other problems also. For example, you can go to that bypass surgery. Sometimes you'll be able to getting after surgery, what we can call that, after bypass surgery,
Post care.
no, not post care, that side effects, right? Side effects. For example, so bypass surgery is happened. After that, might be the person getting some like side effects. That's a kind of risk. For example, you are going to fixing this problem in root level. In future, maybe you will get some risk. Are you okay for that risk? Are you accepting that risk? So the person who is raised the problem, the person need to be give the confirmation. Okay, if you are getting the risk, there is no problem, you can fix it. Okay, they're ready to face the risk. So the risk factor we have to provide it. But so you got to click on that like accepting risk. So they're ready to facing the risk. So what is the risk cause notes and risk acceptance reason? Okay, risk acceptance reason because of, so first of all, a bypass surgery is important, right? Might be risk will be there, okay, but we are ready to face it. That's a kind of risk accepted by the so problem coordinator or problem manager who is created the problem ticket. So then like it resolved and finally closed it. So it has been like a issue has been fixed. So when you close the problem ticket, automatically close all associated incident tickets. But still we are showing that new tickets, right? But how can you close all the associated incident tickets, guys? So we have to write the business rule. So we can discuss later about the business rule. Some matches already completed business rule. You can write it. Some matches not completed, right?
Yes, sir.
Okay. So this is about problem management life cycle and state model. Guys, now I'm not going to elaborating. So how can you designing the like a number maintenance and what is the category, subcategory? I'm not going to explaining all about these other fields, UI policy, data policy, related how to configure the sections, all those things. Just I have explained problem management life cycle and state model. What is the problem? What is the incident? What is the change? These all are different applications in ServiceNow platform, right? Incident management application lifecycle and state model already we see. So today I covered problem management lifecycle and state model. Clear, guys?
Sir, I have a question.
Please.
Sir, as we can, from the incident, we can create a problem. Likewise, can we create a incident from the problem form?
If you want to create the incident directly from the problem to incident, right? Go to the problem. So open any problem ticket. So open any problem ticket. Sony, your question is you want to create an incident ticket from problem, right?
From the problem, yes. And what kind of incident that may be?
See, did you find any like a UI action to creating the problem? No. We have to follow the ideal standards.
Okay.
So when any customer facing
Sir,
the problem,
in the related list, sir, can you please drop down that in the related list, in the incident, new button is visible. Incident, new button. What is this?
suppose this is the one problem ticket which is already created. How many incidents are associated with this problem as of now? Total, how many incidents are associated with this problem? Only one, right?
Yes.
If you want to add more incidents to this problem, you can add it. Already we've seen, right?
Yes.
And if you want to create one more incident ticket directly into the, also can be able to create the incident ticket, navigate to the incident prompt. Okay.
Okay, sir.
This is also kind of same issue. Let us zoom and the distance are added to here. Clear?
But that new incident is not related to this problem. It is related to that particular incident problem. Like network is their main problem, so we can add a new problem related to a network issue.
No, no,
That
no.
is.
That should be also network only. Example, I
Yeah,
have
yeah.
selected one incident, okay?
Yes, yes. Okay.
So this all the incidents are belongs to same issue only.
Yes, yes. Okay.
Clear?
Okay.
Srinivas, do we need to add all the incidents related to that problem in that, or only few are enough?
So we have to add all the incidents according to your user criteria, like apply the condition. So you can go to here and you can add it. So you can apply the condition. Historic instance, right?
Yes,
So
yes. So do we need to,
yeah, please.
if 95 incidents were raised, we need to add all the 95, right?
Yeah, no need to add that each incident manually. So just you can apply the like a condition. One condition will be there, right? This is the
Add all incidents.
network issue. So like or else network content. So where the short description content network, those all the incidents we can add it to problem.
So after closing problem tickets, everyone will get notified, right? That a ticket has been closed?
Yes, exactly.
Okay.
So we can creating the notification in that case. Already I covered a notification concept. So you can guess it. When the problem is closed, so we need to send the notification. So what the incidents are? What are the incidents are associated with respect to problem? Just you can try it. It's very simple.
Sir, problem ticket is initiated by problem manager, or it can be initiated by a developer, ServiceNow developer as well.
No, Muhammad. Service that is service as a ServiceNow developer. That is not our responsibility. ServiceNow developer never create any problem.
Okay,
So
thank you.
problem management application is a life like it's a ready-made application, right? Just I'm elaborated. Okay. So how the people are using problem management? So maximum problem ticket is created by problem manager or problem coordinator.
They'll be having access to do that.
No, the person have the access to creating the problem
No.
ticket.
Okay, thank you.
Problem coordinator nothing but so problem troubleshooter. So he's going to be like monitoring the ticket continuously 24/7, right?
Yes, sir.
Okay. So one person is working night shift. So within 1 hour, almost 500 tickets are created by different people.
Yes.
So why 500 people are created only within 1 hour? Might be something is broken down, right?
Yeah.
So that case they can apply the condition. So how many incidents are created this 1 hour? Oh, they find almost 500 tickets. So that's we need to consider a problem. Immediately they have to respond immediately. Immediately everybody have to respond. Even for example, manager is in leave or team leader in leave. Okay, right? So at least one person should be respond immediately. Otherwise, it may be like impact on the business. For example, so Amazon is one web service, right? Amazon is one like a kind of business e-commerce website, and tomorrow they're going to announce it a lot of like offers. So many people are trying to buy the like some products, right, in Amazon. So when you are given a lot of offers and announced, right, what happened? More people try to buy the product. So when more people try to like log into Amazon, what happened, guys? Servers may be down. In this case, what happened? So tomorrow they're going to be buy the lot of servers. Tomorrow they're expecting more people will be joined to buy the lot of product, right? In this case, extra they will be added more servers to their e-commerce site. Similarly also, right? For example, so today night I'm working night shift, okay, as ideal like a problem coordinator. Okay, so just I have checked out as per the root cause analysis. What is the responsibility of them? So IT helpdesk department people very frequently they're going to checking the incidents. How many instances are created today? How many instances are created yesterday? How many instances are created last week, this time, this hour, this minute? Okay, they're going to be monitoring everything, right? That is called based on the historical incidents. They will create the problem ticket. In case in your business unit there is no problem coordinator, there is no problem manager. Okay, so project manager will be creating the problem ticket. Sometimes problem manager don't know how to create the problem ticket. In this case, ServiceNow administrator will be create the problem ticket behalf of the problem manager, like a project manager. That maybe depends on the situation, but ServiceNow developer will not create any problem ticket. 99%. That is not our responsibility. Okay.
Okay, thank you.
Srinivas, one doubt so from ServiceNow platform, as a development team, we are just designing the application and we are giving it to that business unit, right? For them to use it.
I didn't get your question.
I'm just a little confused on suppose you are a part of the ServiceNow developer group. So we are just designing the application for the business unit for them to create this problem or incident.
No,
And
no,
the
Hemant.
pages and
Actually, no. Actually, these all applications are following ITIL standards. I'm not defining myself this application lifecycle.
yeah.
Incident is incident only. What does it mean by incident? It's a universal incident. For example, so what is the incident? Something is broken or accident will happen. So you can go any business unit, any organization. So anybody facing the problem, they have to raise an incident, right? So that is a universal, like the rules, like a universal approach. Okay, it's not my own approach. Similarly, what about the problem? So when we can create the problem, who will create the problem, where we can create the problem. So those all we have to follow the life cycle of the problem management application. So we have to follow the ITIL standards. ITIL. See, ITIL problem management process flow in 3 steps. So ITIL are the common and standard practices, standard approaches. We are not going to changing. Okay, BMC remedy and ServiceNow, CA Unit Center, HPSM, Avanti, Fresh Services, so many ITSM tools in the market, right? Every ITSM platform may contain the same applications, incident, problem, and change. So all the application lifecycle and state model are the same, never change. Okay, it's never change, but interface will be the change. Might be Jira and the CA Unit Center, there is no customization, right? So some applications they're giving, those applications we have to use as is. But ServiceNow platform we can do a lot of customization, right? That is the more advantage of ServiceNow. But so ITIL standards and portfolio is just like it's a common one. ITIL training teaches us to the ITIL service management lifecycle has several components. So ITIL problem management process is one of these components. With ITIL, it's mainly a process of the ITIL services operation stage. It also like other stages of ITIL life cycle. So you can follow the documentation. What is the problem management flow? So some problems are received by the service desk. So ITIL problem management is directly linked to incident management. Okay, it's a relationship. As a problem may have a financial impact, that ITIL problem management process also like links to financial management, even through the ITIL service design stages. Different stages are there. So we can discuss later about the knowledge management, how they included. Okay, one topic is knowledge management life cycle and state model. So what is that ITIL problem management process flow? Receiving the problem is received by the ITIL problem management process through different channels. Might be creating it directly, or someone they can call to customer care, they will be create the problem ticket behalf of them, and the common process. So here service desk they're addressing service desk they're creating that like a problem, like then so incident management, and then next one is problem detection and a problem logging, so categorization and then prioritization. So for example, I have 10 incident tickets in my pool. 10 incident tickets are assigned to Srinivas. One problem is assigned to Srinivas. Srinivas have to working on the first of all problem or incidents. That is called prioritization. So Srinivas, first of all, need to working on the problem ticket. So when they are created any problem ticket in the real-time organization, it is impact on the business. Everybody should focus on the first of all the problem ticket. Okay, clear guys? So this is the life cycle and state model of. So if you want to explore more into that like a life cycle, so we can follow the documentation. This is a common documentation. So in the investigation, next step, problems are investigated by diagnosed based their priority respectively and details are the recognized and a high priority problem based on the problem ticket. Okay, so we have to work around available and then so they have to fix it like immediately, otherwise it may impact on the other services as well. And like change management is one more application life cycle we can discuss later. In case of the problem is belongs to one change, for example application there a lot of customers are facing one application but they're expecting some changes into application level. That moment they have to get the change. It's interrelated. Okay, so tomorrow we can discussing about the change management. So once we are working with change management, then we can understand the interrelation, incident to problem, problem to change, like that. Okay, no need to learn that much level guys, not required. Just you can try to understand the okay, these all. Any questions? Any questions guys? Varma and Lakshmi, please call to me personally. Okay, so most of us didn't understand the integration class. What is I went through that video but didn't get what you are trying to do. So could you please teach you again like that, what was the requirement and what we have done? And you have done only create an ACL. Could you please explain rest of them? What about rest of them, Lakshmi? Lakshmi and Varma, please contact me. Okay, call to my personal number. I will be give the clarification. Okay. Some flow concepts in catalog item is pending. What about the flow concepts? These are other batches, guys. Don't worry. Don't get confused. Once again, let me open the curriculum. Okay. Where it is located. So workflow is already completed, right? Execution plan, it's optional. Okay. Lakshmi, it's clear. Remaining flows is the old one. Right now, they're not using any execution plan. Almost there is migrated to workflow. Somebody they're using flow designer. Flow designer also one more optional application. So I have given the documentation very clearly. Just you can follow that. Okay. Service catalog, I have covered all the components, 100% components. Guys. So Lakshmi and Varma, please talk to me personally. Okay. So tomorrow topic is same time, guys. Please join same time. Tomorrow topic is knowledge management life cycle and state model. And thereafter tomorrow, change management life cycle and state model. Then you can go to other topics. Okay, guys, I'm going to end up class today. See you tomorrow.